get it and then just for 29. Go ahead, Ashley. When you're ready. Go ahead, George.
Go.
Go for it. There you go, Avery. Go ahead, Avery. Go up. Go ahead. Go up, Ash.
How do you get on offense?
Avery. Ashley, go. There you go, Ashley. There
Get it, Ashley. Go, Ashley.
There you go, Ashley. Go ahead, Jordan. There you go.
Good job, Rob.
She is not here. There you go, Avery. Stay with it, Ashley. Stay with it.
Get it, Jordan!
Yay.
Get it, Ashley.
Get it, Ashley!
Good job, Gab.
Go, Chelsea. Go, Chelsea.
Get it, Ashley. Turn it. Get it, Ashley. Go. Go, Ashley. Turn it.
Hey, Priscilla.
Get it, Ashley. Kick it. Get it, Ashley.
Turn around, Marissa.
There you go. Go get it, Ashley. Oh. Hey. Did you get some stickers?
No, I didn't get any stickers. Oh yeah, I put them. I did. From Ashley, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes. I stuck them inside the checkbook. Where's the stickers?
He looks like he is.
This is kind of humid.
Yeah, I think it is.
You're gonna be the next kicker. You're gonna be playing for the Cowboys or whomever your team is. If it were my choice. Miss Teal. Miss Teal, where are you? You did a marvelous job too on defense. I'm so. All right, girls, I started.
Hey, what's the gonna get this time, Michaela? Ethan.